Hey everyone, welcome to Cara's Cucina. I'm Cara Di Falco. Today we are going to be showing you a really simple, classic recipe. We're going to be making good old-fashioned chicken soup. Great food isn't just about good ingredients and knowing how to cook, it's about telling the story of the food. To start our soup, I have a little bit of olive oil in the base of our pan, and we are going to add in 1 onion, 2 carrots, and 2 celery sticks that we've already chopped up, and just get this going. We're going to let this cook down for about 3 to 5 minutes till everything starts to soften up. Our veggies have been cooking a little bit. They're starting to release some of their juices, so we're going to season everything with a bit of salt and pepper, and then we're going to add in 2 chicken breasts. Now, I'm doing that in this case because I've already made stock at home from chicken scraps and veggie scraps that I already had, which you can get the video for at the card above and see how to do that. But just to kind of give you an idea, these are the veggies that we prepped for the soup. So this is just the skins of the carrots, some pieces of the celery, the ends of the onion. Store this in the freezer, and once the bag is full, you can make your own stock at home. So I've already got ours made. So at this point, stir this up. We're gonna get our chicken in here and just let it start to brown a little bit with our veggies. Our chicken breast has a little color to it now, so at this point we're gonna add in our stock. So again, this is already made chicken stock, homemade stock that I made at home. So we're gonna add in about 8 cups. The other way that you could do this, if you really just wanted to, if you didn't have stock on hand and you just wanted to make the soup completely from scratch, if you will, is you could get some darker, more bony pieces of chicken. So you can use chicken wings, chicken legs, chicken thighs, just make sure they have the bones in, and just cover everything with water and let it all cook together, and that'll also create that great stocky broth. But again, I had so much leftover scraps in my freezer, so I had pre-made my stock, and now I'm able to just make my soup. So we are gonna bring this to a simmer. We're gonna let those chicken breasts simmer for about 20-25 minutes until they're cooked all the way through, and we'll pull them out and shred them. After about 20 minutes, we have removed our chicken from the pan, we shredded it, so now we're gonna add it back to our soup. We're just gonna give everything a minute or two to warm up once again, but that's it. That's pretty much chicken soup. Like I said, really easy, especially if you have your stock homemade. Again, now if you wanna go the other way, you can actually cook the chicken in water with all the veggies, and that'll also make your stock. At that point, you wanna add plenty of salt and pepper. You're gonna wanna add in some fresh herbs as well, some parsley, some thyme. Any of those things would go really beautifully in here. But we are gonna get this into a bowl. That's our chicken soup. There you go, guys, chicken soup. You'll be able to find this recipe at caradifalco.com. Actually scientifically proven to help you heal a cold. So as we get into that cold and flu season, you guys are definitely gonna wanna pin this one. You can also find me on Facebook and Instagram at Cara Di Falco. And if you haven't yet, if you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. I'll see you guys next time. Bon appetit.